I hear a lot of people referring to the services and being a part of our community health center as being part of a family, and it really illustrates that because of the longevity of not only the patients staying with the clinic, but a lot of our staff also have either been patients or have worked at the community health center for a long time. So there is that sense of feeling a belonging and feeling that it is part of their community.
With over 22,000 patient visits each year, the Wilimington Community Clinic is proud to celebrate 40 years of providing quality healthcare services to the community.
It's amazing this amount of services that we can provide. One of the most difficult populations in the beginning was the adult population. There wasn't a lot of funding, there wasn't a lot of ability to be able to provide those services. It was mostly focused on women and children. So to be able to provide now the full spectrum of services is amazing. And we have patients who have been here from the time they were children or babies and are now having their own children and have continued on.
The Wilimington Community Clinic has provided primary health and prenatal care, mental health screenings, insurance assistance, dental care, and much more for over 40 years.
Pienso que esta clínica es de las mejores clínicas que tenemos aquí en la comunidad de Wilimington. Porque aquí vivimos muchas personas que somos de bajos recursos, aquí en la comunidad de Wilimington. Vivimos muchas personas que tienen bajos recursos, no gana uno lo suficiente para ir uno a otras clínicas, pues como doctores que hay aquí de paga. Entonces aquí esta clínica nos ha ayudado muchísimo. Yo pienso que a mí a todas las personas que vienen aquí.
Hi, my name is Dr. Garcia. I've been working at the Wilimington Community Clinic for 3 years. Immediately when I came to work here, there was something special that I noticed about the clinic, and that there was a true sense of community here. I was very impressed to find out that some of the residents of Wilimington are employees here at the clinic, and that patients know some of our employees, and that our clinic is an extension of their own family. A lot of patients know that we can help them even though they only speak Spanish. And that makes a big difference because, as we know, a lot is lost in translation. And being able to speak to someone directly, your provider who's going to be responsible for your health, is so very important.
In 2016, the Wilimington Community Clinic has provided 22,939 patient visits to low-income and uninsured women, children, and men for a variety of healthcare services.
If it wasn't for this community clinic, I wouldn't have had my kids maybe, or gotten healthy and just been on the right path to what I wanted to achieve for my family. So I'm thankful to them. We live in a Hispanic community, and a lot of Hispanic communities come with some type of taboos where they're scared to come in because going to the doctor is like, oh no, well I'm gonna take my herbal medicine or just stuff that's passed on to us by our generation, from our heritage. But I think it's really important because it not only takes those walls down, but it gives them access, like free access. If you're not, economically struggling, if you don't have any type of means, there's always a way here. People help you and help you get that medical attention that you need, or give you references, if you can't come here. But there's that help if you're within the community, and not just that, they just provide a lot of information to younger kids as far as like abstinence, safe sex. I'm sure of it, my daughter, she's at that age, so I feel comfortable bringing her here, especially too, because I know that she's going to get the great care.
The doctors offer services such as wellness visits, school physicals, women's health services, STD testing, and even dental care.
Go around and look outside and you see it's an underserved area. I mean, the wages are low and the economics of the area are depressed, and I mean, a lot of people really don't have anywhere else to turn to. And it's a good thing that there are people that are really down and out that we've helped in the past. It's just important to be able to help the community in that way. Otherwise these people would go without, and I don't know where they would go, if anywhere at all. They probably wouldn't go anywhere.
In 2017, the Wilimington Community Center hopes to open an additional location to expand their dental and behavioral health services and build a community room. The Wilimington Community Center is proud to celebrate 40 years serving quality health care to the community.
Congratulations to the Wilimington Community Clinic in its 40 years of operation. It's been an honor and a pleasure to work here, and I wish it many more years of growth.
Congratulations to the Wilimington Community Clinic. I just hope that you guys have many more years to celebrate, let's say the 50th, 60th, maybe 100th. But I hope my family continues to come here and receive the great service that you guys always provide. Thank you for everything.
Happy anniversary, Wilimington Community Clinic. Thank you for letting me be part of your legacy. I hope to celebrate many more years with you. Thank you.
Gracias y felicidades a toda la clínica de Wilimington por sus 40 aniversarios que tienen y ojalá que tengan muchos años más. Muchos años más y felicidades. Gracias de todo corazón. Soy aquí amiga de todas ustedes, María Zúñiga. Muchas gracias y felicidades.